we'll all bow to Jesus, and at his throne we'll cast our crowns. And as the saints all hail the true King, all in wonder will fall down. His perfect life he gave, his blood poured out